Hi, my name is Rob Richards. I'm the owner of Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum, and welcome to my family room. I was deep in thought early in the morning last week because we always have a year-end clearance sale the last week of the year, and we also put out an email that says, hey, did Santa forget your sewing machine or your vacuum? Come on in, we have a clearance sale, that kind of thing. But this year I was thinking, why did people not get a sewing machine or a vacuum? Why didn't Santa bring that, and what did Santa bring instead? So I was thinking, sometimes people get bread machines or a Crockpot or something, and they just put it in a box in their closet for regifting later maybe. So why not get that stuff out and use it as a trade-in towards a sewing machine? So after my wheels were turning, I contacted our vendors, and all of our vendors agreed that they would allow me to use co-op for this. Plus, I have a vision in my head of dropping off a pallet of unused, unopened products at a local charity somewhere that could use it. So I think there's a lot of different angles on this. It would be really great to try. And so we're gonna do that. It's gonna go until starting Monday, and it's gonna go until New Year's Eve. So the caveat, of course, like I mentioned, is that it has to be in great condition, brand new, sealed in the box or package, because I don't want to donate something necessarily that's been used like that. So let me explain also the values that you can get, because part of my thought process is our manufacturers will let us do things like take an old Singer Touch and Sew and use it as a guaranteed trade-in, and some of our products have a guaranteed trade-in of up to $3,000, which sounds really strange, but our manufacturers help us with that, and we can recycle and donate some of those things as well. So they're only allowing me to do this once this year. It's not like we're going to be able to do this all the time. I've gotten special permission, so I'm really excited. See store for details, and I'd really like to see if this works. I'm pretty excited about it, to be honest, and come see us and have a happy New Year.